Yep.
Okay. I can't tell if it's recording.
Yep.
All right. Let's see the next thunderbolts here. We got a good view? Oh,
Yeah.
there was a little one.
Perfect.
Too bad we didn't get that last one. That was crazy.
I'm getting the little one.
Did you get that one?
No.
Any luck?
Nope. It's only been 40 seconds thing, so.
I wonder how long it's apart we'll be able to see when we're recording. All right, we have a clear view of the sky.
Yeah.
We should have did this earlier. We missed all those other ones.
Imagine if we got the video of like the forming of the tornado.
Oh, that would have been crazy.
At first I thought it was snow coming down.
It was sand. It was a sandstorm.
Yeah.
All right, here we are.
Seems like we're gonna be getting something.
Yep, any minute.
Whoa, I got that.
You got that one? I couldn't see where that one was coming from though. The other ones were like right in front of us, but we're